One of the most popular applications for the Diablo twin wire arc system is the application of traction coatings. Coatings to reduce slippage may be applied to nearly any clean metal surface, from steel mill rolls to stair steps and deck plates. For steel mill rolls, this process is best accomplished immediately after machining new passes on the roll, and many companies apply the coating at the lathe site where the roll was machined, reducing the need to handle the roll again. The metal spray will not stick to anything past approximately 18 inches from the tip of the gun, and simple hydrocarbon lubricants serve as a release agent for any overspray. If there is an area where spray is not desired, simply coat it with a light lubricant like WD-40 or even Vaseline. Consequently, if rolls are transported elsewhere to be coated, be careful not to contaminate the surface of the roll with greasy slings or touch the intended spray surface with your hands. If this occurs, clean the surface thoroughly with a non-residue pure safety solvent such as Metal Prep, solvent, and degreaser. Please note, if rolls cannot be coated soon after machining, it's advisable to wrap the freshly machined roll in stretch plastic to prolong the buildup of surface oxides, which will reduce the adhesion strength of the deposit. When spraying a pass on a steel forming roll, use a relatively low RPM setting, 50 or less, and spray a layer approximately 3 to 4/1000ths of an inch thick of P760A Ultra Grip wire using the high velocity air cap at a distance approximately 6 to 8 inches from the roll. This should be barely enough to turn the metal gray and remove the shine from the freshly machined roll. This will prevent corrosion from forming on the roll underneath and on any adjacent passes that are not being used at the moment. Note that anything more than this is a waste of time and product and could even produce more slippage problems than it actually prevents. The idea is to spray just enough coating to provide traction for the first billet or two and then disappear. By then, the roll should have developed a cross-check heat pattern on the roll and will bite the billet by itself. The coarseness of texture can be varied somewhat by decreasing the air pressure from 60 or 70 psi down to 50 or even less. If additional texture is desired for roughing rollers, etc., simply replace the high velocity air cap with the coarse texture air cap and very lightly coat the same pass from a distance of about 9 to 12 inches using a circular motion. This will produce a texture approximately that of a 24 grit sandpaper and should only be used in areas where extreme bite is desired.